So in this video, we're going to do three things. We are going to import a composition from After Effects, import a modified Photoshop JPEG that we made and added text to, and then we're going to import a regular JPEG. Those will be for the ones that we are going to add Premiere text to. They are all done the same way through import. So File, Import, Control-I on the PC, Command-I on the Mac. This will allow us to bring in our files. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to find my folder. Right here, I have this one where I saved my project, and I have my After Effects file right here. So I'm going to double click my After Effects file. It is going to search for the composition. Once it finds the composition, Comp 1 will show up top. All right, After Effects now brought up our Comp 1. So we click on Comp 1 and we click OK. It now brings in a file called comp1/Ferrari_1.aep. So that's my After Effects file. I'm going to bring in another one. So I hit Control-I, and now I'm going to look for any of my other done After Effects files. And I hold down Control, and I will click directly on the After Effects files. So I have 2 and 3 already done. So I'm going to open those ones up, click on the composition again, click on the next composition, and now I have all 3 in. That is how you will get all 20 of yours in the program. Now I'm going to do the same thing, Control-I, and now I'm going to look for my modified JPEGs. I know a modified JPEG because it has the A on the end of it. So I hold down Control, this is for PC users, Mac users, you hold down Command, and I select all of my done modified my done modified JPEGs, which were created from my Photoshop file. I have 21 and 22A. So I click Open, and now both of those files are imported. All right. So at this point, the last thing we have to do is we're going to import 40 through 50, which would be our regular JPEG images. Okay. I don't have any. I didn't do all 50 of them. So what I'll do is I'm just going to take my last 2 Ferrari images, 24 and 25, those ones I have not modified in Photoshop yet, and I'm going to open them. So now I see that I have 21 and 22A. I know my A's are my Photoshops, and I know my unmodified ones are my regular JPEGs.